The date is the 26th of November 2020, and here's Itälahdenkatu, Stäviksgatan. 8 stack is C, and the last stack is in this residential building here. We're in Vattuniemi, Halones, Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Finland. And the capacity is 4 persons or 325 rooms, and it has 7 floors. Built in 1980, turning 40 years old this year in 2020. And also this is only 4 days from when the first tenants moved to this building 40 years ago, 30th of November 1980. The serial number is H44548, and it is going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. Such an amazing residential building.
Yeah.
And they didn't modernize them with generics or anything yet. Luckily.
Yeah.
But of course it's a little bit torn.
Yeah.
Yep.
Spektaakkiwise betänt maintained by Schindler.
Yeah, the maintenance could have been better by Kone, but maybe they couldn't afford it.
Yeah.
But the most important thing is that it's original, it wasn't upgraded or modernized by Schindler.
Yeah.
Because I have seen some of these, Schindler has upgraded them or something.
Yeah.
But here luckily they didn't do it.
Yeah.
Because I've seen in several of the early 1980s Kone with ambient fixtures, Schindler has upgraded them already around 2000, early 2000s,
Yeah.
or late 1990s. It has happened sometime.
Yeah.
Especially in Varis or Klockskärret in Turku.
Yeah.
And thank you very much for watching. That's it. Does it light up also? Even when it's on this floor? Yes, it does.
That's